Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to auto-generate subtitles in Kapwing step by step. Kapwing is an online video and content editing platform that make it easy to add subtitle to videos. Subtitles improve accessibility, engagement and comprehension. Open any of the browser. In the top there's an address bar. Type down kapwing.com and enter it here. Over here you can simply upload your video by create new in the top, or you can also select your draft on the bottom here, and your video will appear in the preview window ready for the subtitle generation. In the left hand side we can find there's an option for the subtitle. Click onto the subtitle here and you can select this auto subtitles in the top, and it will automatically generate the subtitles for your video. And over here you can select and Kapwing will prompt you to select the language spoken in the video here, confirm the language here and generate the subtitle here. And that is it. This is how you can auto-generate subtitle in Kapwing. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.